Today, I think I'm gonna head up on the train to Upper Hutt just for kind of a half day, easy day, because I'm riding like too many kilometers per day. And tomorrow maybe a ride to Wellington. Well, I gotta get to Wellington to get my bike looked at. So I might be doing some pickup by foot. So let's see. So this is my starting point. Nice and simple ride to Petone, get some plastic, drop off some garbage, catch a train, Cafe Rome. Nature's natural filter, so I may as well just do a small walk here whenever I go by. Saves me stopping 100 times. Earplug. And I'm gonna keep going here until I find an elephant effect that I can take home. Little propeller. Still looking for that elephant effect. I know it's here. Lego, my ego. Keeping these ones. All right, I don't know what that is. I did not find an elephant effect. I don't know whether I'm happy or sad, but I did find this. Is there anything more annoying than fake plants? I'm still after an elephant effect here. Oh, like I planted it. Bingo, baby. To a bird or a turtle. All right, boys and girls, that's it. One elephant effect. Job's done here. See, I dropped the elephant effect. That's why you should cut them in half or into two, depending on your mathematical preferences. Big lighters. There's a saying about them, I don't remember it. Plastic spoon. For those of you that are, you know, a little too good haul. Okay, stop picking up plastic. Move on. Next beach. So the goal is 3 elephant effects. We're gonna tripod this. Oh, I just looked and I hit the goal. It'd be nice if I found a guitar pick. Worm container. Elephant effect. Elephant effect. 2 birds. Hopefully one doesn't hit on your car. This would kill a small puppy and a cat. Oh, orange one. Yeah, Rasta man, we like ice cream. Okay, that's gonna be it. A little bit better, pound a day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 plastic rings. I have no bag, so I'm gonna find one. Yep. Just what I needed. I lost the foam. Oh, you bastard. This bag sucks. just made it worse. Okay, moving on. Keep your eyes peeled for the bottom of this bottle. Oh, I also got this. Haha, you didn't think I picked that up back there, did you? I don't know who loves these things. Man, just eat a chocolate bar. Angular. Whoa, watch your eye, man. I'm overloaded. I can't carry anymore. You know what time it is, boys and girls? Long plastic time. That's ugly over there. I gotta get it. Sweet Georgia Brown. Good score. Came for the bag. Gonna get the bottle. Coca-Cola. Ugly bag. Must have been pop. This is a nipple. Oh, frickin' condom wrapper. Not a good score. That's disgusting. I obviously need a job or a life. Let's pick it up, pick it up. Like many other days, start off thinking I'm not gonna get much, and it turns into a major plastic day. I don't know. Tally ho. Thank you for the help. Did you see that one I missed? I'm going back to get both of them. Too many kids around here. 1. 2, 3, 4. 100 people walk by it a day. Just got like 5 pieces on the street. I'm not picking up any more plastic till I drink a tea. I don't know. Just waiting on the train. Got this fancy piece of foam on the way in. Quite monolithic. Remember 2001 Space Odyssey? Sweet, there was a train going to Upper Hutt.
Next station, Wallaceville. Next station, Upper Hutt.
Raining in Upper Hutt. Waterloo Station. Whoa, whoa, easy. New area, new bottle. Dish wash. Say that 5 times really fast. New area, new bottle. Glass. I'll take it. Up to my old tricks again. 2, 3. No idea where I am. Oh, look at that blue ring. Horse effect. Your horse put its head through there and you weren't around. Dead horse. Ow, freaking sharp those things are. Ow. Could use the bag actually. Long day, not a ton of pickups, but some key ones. Let's just grab one more thing for good measure. I'm sure I can find something. That's what I like to see. Pretty clean. I think I got actually quite a bit of plastic considering I wasn't en route by bike. The pickup of the day, as I like to do as a feature of picking up plastic, is, let me just find it. This is, you know what's funny? I haven't driven a car in 7 months. Today's pickup of the day, a yellow and red Lego block. Completes 2 pieces. You can arrange them red, yellow, or you can pry them apart. You could arrange them yellow, red. It's your preference. Private message me and I will mail these to you as a memento. 2 of a kind. Okay, what else am I gonna do? I gotta pack up. That's it. I got 7 elephant effects today. These are what I'm after. Plastic rings. The fact is, these kill birds. That's the elephant effect. It doesn't take a butterfly to bat its wings in Bombay to make it rain in Spain, mainly in the plain. It takes someone not picking one of these up when they actually look at it and keep walking, and then a bird to come within, say, 90 seconds, put its head through there, strangle itself and die. That's the elephant effect. If you want to make a change, don't count on a butterfly's wings.